various programs of the Government of India made Aadhaar linkage as compulsory. Say in CNRD department we are implementing Mgnrga's work. Then also other programs are also there. So there the payment is now through a software on Aadhaar bridge payment system. And we receive order from Government of India, Ministry of Rural Development, that suppose in a village 100 job card holders are there, and the master roll has been uploaded for all the 100 job card holders, and if a single job card holder is not having Aadhaar linking with his account and with his job card, then ultimately the entire village will be not given any benefit. So the payment will be not received by the entire village. For the temporary announcement, we told the BDOs to take care of this issue, so that if anybody is without Aadhaar linking, then their names should not be included. We are requesting all the stakeholders in the society, the BECs, self-help groups, through them we want to bring an awareness program that not only NRGS or some other programs of the CNRD department, but many other departments like food and civil supplies, ration will be not provided if the other linking is not done. So with ration card. So that's why we request that if we want to avail the benefits from Government of India, we should go for Aadhaar linking. Government is there. We never made mandatory for Aadhaar for any for availing any benefits from the state government. Okay, so far it is like that. So there won't be any problem from our side. But Government of India made mandatory for Aadhaar linking with job card as per MGNRS work is concerned, with the ration card as food civil supply work is concerned. So that is the take. From our side, we have not made that it should be made mandatory. But we are requesting that if we want to avail those benefits, then it is a necessity. So years relaxation. Okay, it was ended I think 2022-23, something like that. Then they withhold the thing, and we requested through Honorable Chief Minister to Ministry of Rural Development, and they have exempted us for those 2 years.